Transportation Engineering deals with the design, construction and maintenance of different types of roads. Importance of Highway Transportation Engineering provide conveyance to the people, goods, raw material to reach different parts of the country. A pavement management system is a set of tools or methods that can assist decision makers in finding cost-effective strategies to providing, evaluating and maintaining pavements in a serviceable condition. The function of PMS is to achieve the best value possible for the available public funds and to provide safe, comfortable and economical transportation. The process of pavement maintenance is continued with the pavement evaluation process. In this project research, we are conducting and focusing on the pavement distress. To overcome such this problem, PCI analysis need conduct for the selected road and the maintenance or rehabilitation method need to be recommended and to improve the PCI data analysis. Our aim is to determine the distresses in pavement road which are potholes, edge cracking, patching, rutting and slippage cracking on the road. Jalan Teras, Jenang 43650 Kajang, Selangor. To calculate the PCI analysis for the selected road, and the last to recommend a rehabilitation method needed to improve the PCI.
The Pavement Condition Index or PCI method is based on visual examination of the pavement distress type, extent and severity. Pavement performance, according to H.T.O. 1993, is the pavement's capacity to service traffic satisfactorily over time. Pavement degradation refers to the gradual decline in the value of various performance measures over time. Pavement distress or degradation can reflect the surface state of the pavement or its structural load capability in a variety of ways. Seepage, water penetration, inadequate road surface drainage, overloading, and other issues are among the most prominent causes of surface degradation. The development of a pavement condition index as a predictor of pavement performance has taken a lot of time and work past decade. In the late 1950s, a major attempt was made to develop an objective indication of pavement performance. All signs of pavement distress are combined into a single value in the condition index. This value may be used to characterize the condition status at the network level to determine when treatments are required, to rank or prioritize pavements, and to anticipate pavement conditions.
Next is methodology. One of the key components of an effective pavement management system is an accurate assessment of the condition of the existing pavement network. This assessment has historically been accomplished by an annual visual pavement condition survey. There are ways to measure the condition of the road network. One of the ways is Performance Condition Index, where it uses a comprehensive approach to review the condition of the road. The PCI is more subjective, where it needs to be inspected and identify the type of road distress. From the inspection, the data then calculated to gain the PCI rating for the road. In order to develop pavement maintenance database, several steps must be conducted. First step is need to conduct the road condition survey. Next, from the survey, the data collection of distress coordinate is collected for the database input. Then conducting the pavement condition survey to obtain PCI rating of each road. Finally, the analysis was performed based on the data collection.
Road data. The information we have gathered is based on finding from a pavement condition study done in Jalan Teras Jenang 43650 Kajang, Selangor. To obtain the road data, we separate 1 km of road into 5 sections, each of which is 200 meter long as shown in figure 5.1 in the condition survey data sheet form. Any data that identify any problem pavement surface distress will be reported. The road data for this study may be found in table 5.1 through 5.5. Start analysis. The pavement condition index value may be calculated using the pavement condition index technique, which is PCI. The PCI is numerical scale that range from 0 to 100. A 0 rating on the PCI indicates that the road is in poor shape and require rebuilding, whereas a 100 rating indicates that the road is in acceptable condition and only require routine maintenance. The PCI ranking scale is shown in figure 5.2. You can calculate the PCI for each sample based on the data we select.
Our 1km part has been observed and there are many different types of difficult level and level of severity detected. According to the data, we calculate the road condition is indicated by PCI. To establish PCI, we each have 5 samples. For example, in a second sample, we recover a little severity in the region, and the road PCI score was 74. Although this section of the pavement is not in satisfaction section, it still needs to fix to protect the safety of road users. The same can be said for our first and fifth samples. We have a PCI of 55 and 38 respectively. It is at the poor and very poor state place level from the second example, which is quite bad and needs to be fixed. We may deduct from this value that the road is not particularly safe for users. Both areas of this pavement are still severe in the third and fourth sample based on the evaluation for the PCI value of 66 and 70. To keep users safe on the road, it must undergo rehabilitation. We were able to discern the level of road severity within the PCI rating we acquired from each sample.
Based on the data observation we are conduct, there are minimal severity and damage discovered along the 1 km road. Distress indicates as the poor or unfavorable pavement performance or detected impending failure or any unsatisfactory performance of a pavement short of failure. The measurement of distress which are conducted by the PCI analysis can be helped to improve the equality of the road for the safety of users. It is very important to do the pavement maintenance to achieve the best value available found for the public use and to provide safe, comfortable and economical transportation. Lots of technology and machine that we can use for the maintenance of the road, which is divided to the destructive testing and non-destructive testing. Pavement maintenance is important method in safeguarding our investment in a highway system.